Our farm animals want to play hide and seek today. First, let's meet our friends. This is Carly Cow. She is white and has black spots and black hair. She loves playing with her friends. This is Harold Horse. He is brown and has yellow or blonde hair. He is really good at counting. This is Paisley Pig. She is pink and has black hooves or feet. Hide and seek is her favorite game. This is Sammy Sheep. She is white and has woolly or fluffy fur. She loves being outside. If we're going to play hide and seek, we need one person to count and the rest need to hide. Who would like to count? Ooh, pick me. I want to count. Harold Horse is going to count. That means you three friends need to go hide. Let's do it! It's going to be so much fun. He's never going to find me. Harold Horse starts counting and hides his eyes so he can't see where everyone is hiding. 1, 2, 3. He's starting to count. We better hurry and hide. Where should I hide? Over there? Maybe over there. What about this bush right behind me? That's a great place. I'm going to go hide there. Sammy Sheep found a really good hiding place. I think Harold Horse is going to have a hard time finding her. What do you think? 8, 9, 10. Oh no, Harold is getting close to being done counting. Where should I hide? Hey, the slide. That would make a great place to hide. I don't think Harold will find me here. Do you see him? Shh, don't tell Harold. 15, 16. Harold is almost done counting. Where should I hide? Hurry. Right here. Yeah, he'll never find me here. 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Where should I look first? Let's go this way. To the slide. We're at the slide. Do you see anybody? Wait, who's that back there? I found you, Carly Cow. Aww. How did you find me so fast? It was actually pretty easy. Let's go find the others. Where are you guys? Not over there, not over there. I see something back there. Do you see it? Look, over there. Come with me. Shh, I see Paisley Pig. We're gonna go scare her. Wake up! You scared me. Ha, I found you. Aw, man, I thought this was a great hiding spot. All right, I found Carly Cow and Paisley Pig. Now I just need to find Sammy Sheep. Let's go find her. Sammy is a good hider. She's not anywhere. She's not over here, and she's not over there. She's not at the top of the slide. And she's not at the bottom of the slide either. I can't find Sammy Sheep anywhere. I think I'm going to give up. Wait, do you see that over there? I think we found her. Let's go get her. Found you. This was the best hiding spot ever. That was a great hiding spot. I almost gave up. I'm glad it was hard to find me. I hope you had fun. That was the best game of hide and seek ever. We all had so much fun. We hope you had fun too. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.